In this video, we will take a look at the Pages section of Weebly. This is the third tab at the top. So I'm going to click on Pages. What you'll notice here is that you're going to get a list of all of your pages along with a description of what they are. So right now we only have the home page, which is our initial first page that the visitor lands on when they go to your web address. And what you'll notice is there are different types of page layouts for every different page that you choose. We, by default, have the tall header on my template, and what that means is it's a place that has it's a page that has a place for a large image and then your elements down here. So if we go back to the build section, you'll see that it is the large picture and then down below the section for your elements. Okay? If I were to change this to a short header, let's go back there again. If I were to change this to a short header and then save and edit, you'll notice that the page has changed. It just takes just a second. The page has changed to a smaller image, and all the other elements are the same. Okay? If I go back to Pages again and choose no header, that would obviously be the same page elements without any image at all. Okay, and that'll again take just a second to pop up, but there you go. All right, and then the fourth option for page layout is this thing called a landing page. The landing page you generally only see as a first page or a home page, and the way that it's designed is it allows you to have a smaller picture and then a section here that says quickly go to somewhere else. So for example, okay, and there's how I link it to that other page. So this is good if you have a particular page that you want to highlight for everyone to see when they first get to the website. But again, this would only be generally used, oops, sorry, go back to the Pages section. This would only be used in the case of a very first page. For now, I'm going to turn it back to the tall header. And then I'm going to show you how to add some more pages. So I'm going to save and edit that, so it's going to return it back to the tall header look. Again, it'll take just a second to resolve. And then if I go back to Pages, you will see that I have an option to to add more pages to my website. So the way that you create more pages is you just click on Add Page, and I might create something that says, for example, maybe it's a section about describing what my project is about. So I might consider it a standard page. Okay. It's going to appear as new page, and I can type it the title right here. So it might be something like general information. Okay. And on this particular page, I might have no header at all. I don't want any picture. Okay. And I'm going to save it and edit it. And watch what happens to the website now that I've done that. You'll come upon the basic site, and you'll notice that when I hit save and edit, it automatically takes me to the general information page. And then if the home page is also still here, so if I click on this one, this will take me back to the home page. The great thing is, automatically by default, all the pages you create, they're links. Oh, and I just noticed I've misspelled general. So I'm going to go back to my Pages section. And sure enough, I've misspelled general, so I can click there, remove one of the R's, hit save and edit. This will take me back to the general information page. And the great thing is with Weebly, I can navigate, even while I'm building my site out, I can navigate between the different pages and work on them all within the build element. I don't have to go back to the Pages section anymore. I can just switch between these two sections and add elements accordingly. Okay, and every new page that I create will be added to my menu. So for example, I wanted to add, let's add one more page, and let's call it About Me. Okay, and notice that I can create some different types of pages, ones that are just external links out to somewhere else on the internet, some that are blog pages. I'm not sure if you'll be doing a blog page or not, but this is the page specifically designed to enter blog entries. And then standard page. So I'm going to create one more standard page, and I'm going to call it About Me. Okay, and again, it'll just be a generic no header page. I'll save and edit. Okay, and this will again show you that once we get back to the main site, the 3 different pages will be there. Okay. Now there's one last thing. In the pages section, you also have the opportunity, one, you can move things up and down here like that, and those will just change the order in which they appear on the website. But the other thing you can do is create subpages. So let's just say, for example, under the general information page, I wanted to create a page that said something like project details. Okay. If I take that page and I drag it underneath the general information and pull it to the right, you'll notice that it sticks out as a subpage. And if I save and edit that, I think you can predict what will happen, but basically you won't see it under the main heading as one of our pages, but you will see it as a drop-down menu under general information. So here's About Me, here's Home, and under general information now I have an option for project details. So that's how I create subpages to my main menu pages. And that's it.